Thermostat's dead. Let's go check the low voltage. We'll jump up on the roof. So no display on the thermostat. It's telling me we're not getting low voltage. But we could have low voltage because there's no high voltage also. Let's go check it out. So we'll just do the start right at the disco. Go across the top. We got 237. Now I'm gonna check the fuses there. Those are 60 amp fuses. Now the fuses, they're good, so let's go ahead and check to the bottom of the disco here. And we'll see what we got voltage here. Then if we got voltage here, we can go right to the, we'll go right to checking the low voltage on this unit. Just go like that, like that. So yeah, we're good. So the fuses are good. Let's open up that panel and we'll check the rest of this here. Alright, so I just went right to the transformer here. I looked at the fuse. The fuse looks good right here, the little 5 amp fuse. So I just went across the transformer here. And I got my 24 volts. Let's see if I get a good bite on it. Come on. 27.8 volts. So let's see if I got voltage going down. This thermostat wire looks kind of funky. So we did a quick check. Let's get a quick little jumper out. Make sure everything's running. Quick check to make sure everything's running. I'm going to jump downstairs and see what's up with that voltage coming down this thermostat wire. I know on the red I got 24 volts, so let's go check it. Okay, I got the thermostat off the sub base. And we're gonna get these on there for you. We got 28 volts down here. She's not lighting up. So let's try and get it in there again. She might have failed. So it might just be a bad thermostat. Let's see. She is a goner. So let's see which what I got on the truck. I know I got at least one thermostat on the refrigeration truck, so let's see what I got. All right, that's the one I put on there, the Emerson UP310. Let me turn this light on. We'll get them cooling in here. So we finally hit some warmer weather here. It does that in October up here. So that should get them going. All about an ice maker that was really slow. You can see why. The condenser's totally plugged. But for you new guys, listen, you'll hear that whine in the compressor. And I'll let you hear the different sounds. That compressor is laboring. Let me get that coil cleaned up and then we'll listen to the difference. Alright, so after I got it all cleaned up and stuff, this machine has grid separation. I was able to knock them back in right now, but like this one and this one, you just wiggle them. So the age of this machine, the party's over. Fun times. We're Manitowoc under counter models. Still having issues with the fan cycle switches failing. Big time. So this one's going to be under warranty, so they got to get a fan cycle switch for this guy. Pretty big.